So in this video we will learn how to change the size of any object so that it can fit according to the plan. Okay, so now I have a plan here, so I need to fix the bedroom beds over here. Okay, 1 and 2 I need. So for that I have a bed size which is greater than bedroom size. Now we can see it. See, it's not fit, it's unfitable, so I need to reduce the size of this bed according to the bedroom. So I will copy it here and click on escape button. So now first I will select this object. My entire object is selected, and then click on scale command. Okay, and then select any point, select any point of the object. So now slightly move your cursor. So now it is increasing. Okay, the size is getting bigger. So to adjust it, so first I will click R button. Okay, so and R, and then click on enter. Now select 2 points, 1 and 2. Now move the cursor. Okay, so likewise we can alter the size of any object. So now I will click one more time, and then I will click on this and click on move button and select one corner, and then I will take it in the bedroom. Now it can be fixed over here. So this is how we can reduce the size. Suppose if we want to fix one more bed over here, so for that I will select a different bed. So here it is. First I will select it and then click on scale button, and I will reduce the size from center. Okay, so now it is increasing, the size is changing but not according to us. So for that I will click on R button and then click on enter. So now select 2 points, 1 and 2, so that we can alter according to our requirement. And then I will click. So now I will select it and then copy it, and then I will take to my plan. Okay, so now I need to change further. I need to make it smaller. So for that, one more time scale command, from center I will reduce. So now click on R button and then enter. Select the 2 points of the object, and then I will reduce it. Okay, so now I will select it and move it to one corner, or we can take it over here also, like this. First I will select it, click on rotate, and then select it corner. So now it is rotating, but if you need exact 90-degree, for that you should keep it on this ortho mode. I will click it. So now I am getting perpendicular. I need this orientation. I will select it and click on move button. From center I will move, so I will bring it here. First I need to delete it, and next I need to select it and click on move button. So now it will fit. Select the object, click on move from any point of the object, and then make this ortho off one more time, and then like this we can change the size of any object by using this scale command.